Morning, peeps. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. Today is a special day for me and for the trading people who join me on the live every day. Thank you again. Appreciate it. Today is my birthday, people. Right. It is my birthday. But today I'm going to try my best to stay really focused today because guess what? Last week I lost a lot of money last week, especially on Friday. After I end the live, I went back into a trade and said, yes, I'm gonna go into the kitchen, make some breakfast and stuff, and this trade should plan out. People, don't do that. Don't leave the desk, especially for a beginner trader. Do not leave the desk. Okay? Please do not leave the desk. All right. So let's go to the chart and let's see what's up. All right. Let's go. All right. All right. I placed a limit order down here to see how best I can enter on this, because this is typical morning reaction when the stock market open and the volume comes in and all of that. Yep, that's what happened. But let's see what happens for the first few candles, see where I can get in on it, so basically just be patient because if you look earlier, I was saying I'm testing the waters, and as you know, futures are open from 6 o'clock on Sunday, meaning from yesterday. Yes, that's how futures are. So I said, all right, it's trading in a range. So I'm like, all right, this is where it stopped out on the few candles, and I was like, all right, I'm gonna wait for it to come up back to this area right here and then write it down. But I tried twice, it didn't work. All right, then I was like, all right, seems like the market is going to be strong today and get a pop off. So I was like, all right, let me catch this one right here. And then I got out before I started the live. So that's why I didn't catch this move, because if I was gonna ride that trade out till the market open, I would be in that. I would catch that for sure. But I'm not in it. I'm not even mad about that. It happens. You know what I mean? So right now I'm just gonna wait and wait for a different opportunity to present itself, because opportunities are all around. They're always there, people. So you don't have to trace it. If you see a good point of entry, fine, go for it. That's the key takeaway for the view and what I've seen right now. All right. So if you're not confident in a trade, don't enter. If you're not, all right, you don't want to assume the direction and just hop in. You don't want to do that. That's a no-no. All right, just play what you see on the charts. All right, use what you see on the charts. All right, seems like it's trending up, but the sellers are there, people. Based on how the market is set up right now, the sellers are there to go in and push the market down because they want a proper entry. All right, what I noticed that this ES mini moved according with the S&P 500. All right, so on my other screen I'm looking at the S&P 500, what's doing, and see it's going down, it's reversing right now. So that's why you see this big red candle right here. So that's the next pointer, you can also use that for reference to say where the market is going as well. You know what I mean? Because they move side and side basically. So you would have a good sense of direction right there. That's what I use and it works. I'm not gonna lie. So this is how stocks works. So for instance, you get FOMO, you FOMO in, all right? You bought at the top because you're saying it looks strong and all of that. See what will happen? You will probably get stopped out already. You know what I mean? That's the problem. All right. I'm not saying it can't cool off and then go for it. Yes, that's the proper way to enter it. But guess what? You have to see those bars comes up first. You have to see it. You can't just expect it to happen all the time just like that. You have to see it happen. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm waiting to see how best I can enter this one. Could rip up people. It could. I'm not saying it can't, but it could rip up right now. But we have to see what happens. I wanted to enter right here if I was going in, but it's okay. Let's see what happens. Let's see if it's gonna break this IA. That's a resistance level right there forming. Yup, that's a resistance level right there forming right there. So that's the top right there, people. That's definitely the top. So it can come back down and then go for it and see if it's gonna break through. You never know. So we have to just wait and see what the market is doing. You don't know. I don't know. You don't know. So we have to see what the market does. So now we're sitting on our hands, like literally sitting on our hands and waiting to see what the market does. All right, because you don't want to make any funny moves. You know what I mean? But that's a good level right there. That's a resistant level right there. Right? Let's see what the market does. And then make a reaction. Re- React to the market. That's basically what I'm doing. It can come back down here as well too. Good. Let's see what happens. Because it could come down there and then it go up back. Good. That would be a good entry to the upside. So you see, that's an indecision candle right there. So who knows? It might be headed to the downside too. You never know, people. See, they're testing the waters right now. So it's yet to break. I could tell it wants to break. I could tell people. I could tell it wants to break. That's why I was like, all right, let me see if it push back up. If the buyers push it back up, that would have been nice, a nice entry right there. As it tried 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, 6, 7. And it didn't go through. I could tell it was gonna go further down. Because I've seen it. Alright. That one didn't play out like I wanted to. So let's see what happens. Let me see if the buyers are wanting the same thing or not, right? See, they're trying to push it back up. Let's see what happens. Pushing further, pushing further. Yup, I could tell. I could tell people. That one would be something else, you know? But that was like the third strong attempt to the upside and it didn't go. But the buyers are still struggling. The sellers look a bit strong too, but let's see. If it gets back up here, if it gets back up here and don't break through this zone right here, I'm going for the short. Let's sit on our hands, people. Sit on our hands and wait patiently for that entry. Okay? Seems like it's going for another test. Let's see what happens. Yup. Let's see what happens because this is crazy, man. This is really crazy. Let's see what happens. You have to just watch, keep watching. Yup. That's what I'm talking about, peeps. Let's see if it's gonna give another test and if it's gonna break through this time. That's the problem. Alright, so it's in a downtrend, people. Alright, it's in a downtrend. So let's draw the trend line now and see if they're gonna respect it. Let's see if it's gonna respect this trend line, people. That's the play right there. Yep, they're respecting it. All right. They're respecting it, so that's a good trade right there. So I'm in it full size now, people. Let's see what happens. It's so close to my stop. So it can pop up and still fail. That's what I hate. And then it crash into the direction that I wanted to. I hate those stuff too. See? That's what I'm talking about. these type of trades right here. I don't like it. Ah. I hate these type of trades. It's getting me frustrated, people. Yeah. So right now, the market is not doing anything right now. And that's bad for business right now. That's bad for business people. Because look at all my entry points right here. Bam, bam, bam. Still not going further. He went back up. Stop me out. So now I have to watch again and look for a decent entry where I can make some money. This is crazy. This is crazy, people. This is part of trading. You have good days, you have bad days. Just one of those days, you know what I mean? Just one of those days. There's no telling what the market's gonna do right now. So I would suggest sit on your hands. Like literally sit on your hands. Ah, don't do nothing. Don't do nothing. Is yet to break through that zone, which is crazy. All right. So just an idea. This is the top. So I will go for a shot right here. See what happens. When it goes to the bottom of this candle, I will add another contract to it and see what happens. How many times have it touched this zone and never break through? Oh my god, look at this now. See that? Ugh. That's why I bought one contract to see what happens. Because it seems like every time I have an idea, I see something that could possibly work, the market do the opposite. And it's never fun. So that's why I enter with one contract this time around to see what the market, just testing the waters. If it was going down in my direction, I would have had more, but for right now, I'm watching to see. See that? Sellers are there. Watch it. You see that? Stop me out. Still haven't break through the zone. See, that's what I'm talking about, people. I hate when it do that. Damn it, man. I hate when it do that. Mm. Is it gonna break through? All right, let's go. Let's go. All right, it's trending up. Blah. Ah! See how quick that fucking flip on me? Sellers are there, people. Watch it. Can you hate this? Ah! This is driving me crazy. It's doing nothing, man. Nothing. Nothing. Mm. Deep breath. Deep breath because it's gonna send up my pressure, people. My blood pressure is gonna send it up. All right, there you go. Let's see what the market does. See if the market gonna be like, hey, yeah, it break through that zone finally. Let's push it up. I would love that. That's wishful thinking, but it doesn't must go like that. With one contract, the way I set it, the bracket, I will lose $5. And if it touch my profit, I will gain what, $30? So let's see with one contract. So the more contract, the more money I will lose if it goes against me. But if I win, I win more. So, and as I said, my plan is to add more when it's going in my direction. You know, and right now I don't know where it's going, so therefore I'm waiting to see what it does. But I'm in the play to the upside right now. You see that switch? You see that switch? You see that switch? That's what I'm saying. I'm a trader, not an investor, okay? I'm trying not to be biased to one side, but hey, it happens every now and again where I'm biased one direction. Like I think last week, that's why I lost so much money when I'm biased one way. And it tear me to pieces. I lost like what, $800? If it was my money, I'll be crying right now. I don't think you will see me today if it was my money. $800? Damn, I never lost that much before. In one day? Hell no. I was just too sure, too confident on the direction, and yeah, that's what happened. Seeing the trade go against me, and I let it run in the opposite direction, and just sit there. So that's never happening again, though. Yeah, for sure. I've done it before and see it bite me in the ass again. So it never works. So if it's going against you and you don't have a stop, just get out of it. All right. I respect my stop, but sometimes when I'm like, damn, hey, let me take my stop off and go in the opposite direction and wait. Sometimes it works, sometimes it does, but it doesn't work 90% of the time. See, stop me out again. This is crazy. Should I go for a walk or what? What do you think? Go for a walk? What do you think? Tell me. Tell me what you think. See, look, look at, look at that. Look at that. Damn it, man. Can't stand this type of shit. So now you see this is giving me a choppy play today. It is definitely not my day, people. So if it goes back down, what should I do? Enter with a wider stop and just let it run? What should I do? Tell me. Give me give me your opinion what I should do. This is crazy. Mm. Let's see if it's gonna break this trend line or what. See if it's gonna retrace back to the trend line or what it's gonna do. See if we can use the fibs. Let me see if it likes me. You think it likes me? Huh? Let's see if it likes me. Doesn't like me, people. See, it's gonna stop me out again right now. I can't. What? It's gonna stop me out. Can't. Right now, you want to see the S&P 500. There's a big red candle. Oh my god, this is crazy. Mm. Should I enter with a wider stop? That's what my mind is telling me right now, so I can make back my money. Enter with a wider stop, go in full size, and just sit and wait. That's what my brain is telling me right now. And that would be the last trade of the day. I mean, when I end this live, I'll be out. Because this is not working out today. It doesn't make sense fighting a losing battle right now. Yeah, I never can win this. I don't want it to break my mood today. Because as I said, it's my birthday. I don't want to be pissed off everywhere I go. You know, I gotta go get my ear done. Some other stuff, and you know, make it a good day. But this is messing with my start of the day, people. This is crazy, man. Ugh. The market is not doing nothing. Nothing. I know I'm complaining right now and I should not be, but can't help it. I can't. Right now I'm going full size for a short. And see this, you see this? So people go for a short with a wider stop. Reason for that is still at a resistance level, and it could go back down to the downside. So I would like that move to the downside so I could make some money, but that's just wishful thinking, as I said. So let's see what happens. You know what would be nice? Last week I got these long dark pool candles. I would like one of that right now. It will greatly help me out, because it's been beating me bad. If it goes $50, I'll take it. Yep, if it goes $50, I'll take it. But let's see. Because you have to think about commission and all that stuff, you know. So that's how I would play this one. And you see, every time when I'm winning and I take profits, it always seems to go in the opposite direction for just a minute, and then it goes back in the direction that I originally wanted to go in. I'm telling you, this is crazy, people. You might say I'm being greedy, but I'm not being greedy. I'm just showing you that taking small profits doesn't add up. You have to hold it for a while till it actually it's even twice the amount that you're risking. You know what I mean? That's why I said if it goes down to, if it give me a 50, I would take it. That's because that's twice the amount I'm risking. Technically. Sometimes holding the trade for too long is not your your what would I call it now? Your tolerance, your risk tolerance has to be way up there. Mine is not there yet. It's somewhat distant, but it's not there yet. Because I haven't made any real money yet. I have money, but not real money yet. You know what I'm talking about? Some good cash. So I tell you what. See, like how it's chopping out and I'm in it. If it goes back down to like $40, I will take it and just watch and see what happens. And I bet that's when it's gonna go down to the downside. And I was just in that trade to go down downside. Can you believe it? All right, let's see how it plays out. Alright, let me show you guys something. See, this is it on S&P 500. If you notice, it was in a downtrend from right here. It just break it, and it's not going anywhere. All right, but if you look on this, let me draw the box. They're still in a resistance zone right here. See that? Still in a resistance zone. So they're not anywhere yet. Cool. So that's what I'm looking at on my chart. If it breaks it, yes, I will take to the downside out of it. But it's not even there yet. You know what I mean? But that's just my thought process. That's what I'm seeing. That's what I think. That's my perception right there. Can I be wrong? Yes. Who knows where the market is going? Nobody knows. We just have to try and see what happens. Of all the trades I made today, I only was positive on one. The rest, nada. So if I look at my ratio right now, you'll be like, oh damn, this dude can't do shit. Yeah. You're right. I just have to deal with it. But I'm learning though. Yeah. I'm learning though. Let's see what happens, peeps. It's not a good sign, but let's see what happens. Usually, what they say in the first, what, 45 minutes to an hour, the highest point of the day usually be the highest for the whole day. Is there any truth to that? I don't know. It's a possibility though. So let's see if it's gonna go lower. I'm queuing up for when it hit my price target, I just jump out. Yeah. My price target on the trade is right here, but if it gets down here to 50, I will take it. Reason for that, it's too choppy right now. So that's my mental stop in my head right now. Watching the charts and see what it does. What if it gets down here and push further? Fuck yeah, I will take it. But guess what? This is the target I have in my head. Like realistically, if it push down to that, I will take it. Yes, that's what I have in my brain. It's no fun sitting and staring at the charts. It's no fun. It's not fun. But it's a learning experience, you know what I mean? I've made a lot of bad choices today. Yes, I did. Can I do better? Yup. That's what these videos are for. So I can look back and make some better choices. You know what I mean? So you see it's trading in that zone, that area where it's not breaking through it, and I don't know why. But it's getting lower right now, so that's a good sign. I just have to hold it, let it play out, and take my profits when it get there. That's the plan. Can I lose? Yes. Can it take a turn on me? Yes. But at least I'm holding longer and trying for it to go lower in the direction that I want. So I could make some profits today. Is it a good trade? I don't know. But the most I can do is just protect my downside of my account so I don't lose this funded account. Because I'm still trying. The only risk to this account is that if I lose this $700 right here, if I lose this, I have to buy another contract again. Yes. But if I go over and go to 53,000, then I could get a funded live account where any profits I make from there on, I will get like, what's it, 80% of it, probably 100%. Who knows? But I have to cross that bridge, and I'm trying to do it. But man, everything I try, it's not working out. But I'm still trying. You know, every day I research and see how best I could better handle trades and stuff like that. But you know, you never know. The market is unpredictable, so I'm just gotta keep trying. That's what I'm seeing right now. people, I will be ending the live in the next 27 minutes. And this probably would be the last trade of today. If it keeps being choppy like this, I would just, by the time I end this live, I would, if it does do anything by that time, if it doesn't stop me out or give me some profits, I will take what's there on the table and just exit. Okay, people? But remember the mental profit target that I have in my head. Normally, I would risk $25. So if I get twice that amount, I would take it and be like, hey, let me see if I can get another setup and get a good entry again. But let's see what happens. That's what I would say. Right now, what I'm seeing right now, I think it wants to go lower. So I'm just waiting to see what it does. I'm 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 wanting one of those big institutional traders to come in and bam, chop those big bucks so I can make some. That would be nice too, right? They say you need to speak it into being, so that's what I'm doing, speaking it into being. Okay? See, it's there in the falling right there. It just went up to $50. You know why I didn't take it? Because that candle was so big. So you know when you see a big candle like that, it push further. You can't blame me for wanting that after how many rounds I've lost. You know what I mean? Because I've seen it happen before. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm talking about. You know what will happen now? If this shoot up to the top and stop me out, I will be mad. I will be mad. So let's see what happens. Let's see if the sellers can take control and push it further. I've been in this trade for a while now. So you see that now? No, when you see this, you'll be like, oh my God, and be scared now. But the thing is, it happens. You know what I mean? It happens. That's why I'm telling you, I'm trying to hold it longer. So if it happens to break down, I could get more. You know what I mean? It's not impossible. I see it happen a lot of times. So that's why I'm like You might be saying right now, you're greedy, it's your target mentally. Yes, it's my mental target. But what I was seeing is a strong candle to the downside. So if it was breaking down further, I would make more money. But in order to do that, you have to hold it. You have to see. All right. Nobody knows what the market will do. See, that's what I'm talking about. See that? That's what I'm talking about. A lot of buyers are right there. That's a problem. The buyers that is right there at that level, that's the problem. This is giving me too much warning to take my 50. So I'm gonna take it the next time it goes up there. I kid you not. Yes. If it goes back up to my 50, I will take it. Because it seems like it's not gonna break that level right now. And I wouldn't want it to take a turn on me. So let's go! Sellers, get back in. Get back in there. Do what you need to do, people. Let's go! I gotta cheer them on, people. I gotta cheer them on. To get what I want, I gotta cheer them on. I gotta be like, hey, people, go! Go! And I can tell a lot of people is thinking the same thing as I am. I'm not asking, I'm telling you, because you see, the selling pressure is there. That's what I'm seeing. So a lot of people is thinking the same thing, playing, making the same play. But are we strong enough? You never know. You know what I mean? Are we strong enough? See that? Keep messing around, man. It's so crazy right now. It needs to push further. Let's go. been waiting all day for this. I've been waiting all day for this, man. Damn. See how many chances I get to take my 50? If I lose this trade, people, if I lose this trade, people, don't watch no more video from this. Alright? Just YouTube ban me. Alright? If I lose this trade, I need that beating. Alright? I'm just so convinced that it's going down to the downside. I could be wrong. But when you have so much conviction and you've been in this trade for so long, I could lose too. Never forget that. Am I okay with it? No, I'm not. Am I worried? No, I'm not worried. You know, I'm just going off what my mind and my heart is telling me to do. That's what basically, that's all I'm doing. You know what I mean? But if you guys have any suggestion, that would be nice too. Yep. If you guys have any suggestion, let me know. What do you think I should do? Take the 50 or what? Let me know what you guys think. Tell me. Jeez. Let me know what you guys think. What should I do? Take the 50 or what? It goes back down there. Take the 50. Let me know what you think. The buyers are just right here, people. The buyers are right here. I don't know why. What they want to buy it here for? They could get it cheaper. Just send it down to the downside, people. You can get it cheaper down there. Jeez, what's wrong with you guys? Ah! Alright, I promise. If it goes down to 50, I will take it this time. Because it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. So I'm going to take it. My God. This is crazy, man. Yeah. Mm. Buyers are there. Buyers are pretty strong too. Sellers needs to come back in and push it further for me. That's what I need. sellers need to get back in. Push push this market down further. All right, guys, and the live is gonna be ending in the next 12 minutes. So if I'm not out by then, I will let you know what happened tomorrow. See that? I have to secure myself a while ago. Because I've been in this trade far too long for it to stop me out and I sell for a loss. Hell no, I don't like that. I'm gonna end this live in a few more minutes, people. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think. Oh, I should play this next time around. Okay, people? I wish you guys interact with me some more so, I could know if I'm doing the right thing or wrong thing. You know what I mean? I need you guys. queuing up to close this one out, people. It's going back down to $50, and I will take it. I'm not gonna wait any longer for this one anymore. Here we go. Been waiting all day for this one, man. Damn. But I'm telling you, if it goes back down to $50, I'm taking it. Yep. I won't wait any longer. I got numerous opportunities to take the $50 and I didn't. So this time, if it goes back down there, I'm sticking to it. I'm taking it. Fuck that. I ain't waiting no longer. Ah, that's what I'm talking about. This is what traders have to go through. I can't believe it. These are the stuff traders have to go through, people. That's what I'm talking about. Yep, these are the stuff traders have to go through. People, I want to end this live when I'm out of this trade. Okay, so I'm gonna let it run for some more minutes so you see exactly what happened, and I can see what happens later on. All right, so when I'm out of this trade, that's it. Bam. As I said, peeps, I should be ending the live right now because it's 9 o'clock and I normally get off at this time. But because I'm still in the trade and I want this one to play out so I could end the live on an eye. People, tune in tomorrow, same time, same place. RJ Barkley, I'm here. Alright, let's watch this trade and see how it plays out. If I'm going to sell for a loss or if I'm going to sell for a profit. People, I will catch you outside. I will catch you outside tomorrow, people. So, well, good and take care, people. I will let you know how this trade plans out. Take a look at my yeah, you will know the difference tomorrow. Okay? Peace out. Take care and walk good. Trade responsibly, okay?